Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to take screenshot and long scrolling screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to take screenshot, press the volume down button and power button at the same time and release. So that's how you can take a simple screenshot. Now if you want to take a scrolling screenshot, then open the app in which you want to take screenshot. Now first of all, take this simple screenshot and then click on this down arrow to take a scrolling screenshot. So that's how you can take a scrolling screenshot. So now you can see this is a scrolling screenshot. So that's how you can take screenshot and long scrolling screenshot in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.